Today, we're touring through a beautiful family home in Douglasdale with 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, a walkout basement, a beautiful hot tub cabana for all those cozy winter nights, and so much more. When you walk into this home, you're going to feel the wide open space, the vaulted entryway, and the gorgeous layout. Let's check out this amazing Douglasdale family home. Spending time in this master bath ensuite is a luxury. Then you've got a great big bedroom, walk-in closet, gorgeous window that overlooks your view, the trees, the green backyard. And then you get welcomed into this big vaulted hallway area with 3 more bedrooms up here and a full bathroom. A gorgeous walkout basement completes this beautiful home. You come downstairs, you have beautiful big wide open windows looking out onto the luscious backyard and direct access to that nice hot tub. A bedroom and full bathroom complete the lower level. This yard provides privacy, peace and quiet, and a great space to relax or have people over. They've utilized the yard super well. You've got lots of green grass if you have a dog or an area for the kids to play. And there's a lovely deck area, covered deck area for visiting, for enjoying your morning coffee, as well as enjoying your hot tub time. The large shed at the back of this cabana just perfectly completes this yard space. You've got a great area to store all your gardening tools. Thank you so much for watching the video of this beautiful family home in Douglasdale. With access to the main boulevard here in the community, you can be on Deerfoot Trail in 2 minutes and on Stony Trail in about 5 minutes. So it's a great prime location while still giving you that beautiful private residential feel. I'm Hannah with the McLaren Real Estate Team, and until next time, keep it real.